Let's be honest, if you own a C-Class W205 or a GLC X253, you know exactly what I'm talking about when I mention the center console cup holder. It's often the first thing to show wear, or worse, it just doesn't hold your large coffee securely. This replacement unit claims to solve that common Mercedes headache once and for all. This is the center console front cup holder, specifically designed for the 2014 through 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 and the 2014 through 2019 GLC Class X253. If you've been dealing with a sticky, broken, or rattling cup holder, this is the direct solution you need. The key here is the part number, 2,056,800,310. That number confirms this is a true, direct replacement, meaning installation should be a seamless, drop-in process, a huge win for anyone doing this themselves. Now let's talk materials. This isn't some flimsy, cheap plastic. It's constructed from high-quality ABS plus PC. That blend is crucial because it gives you the rigidity needed for stability while offering enough durability to withstand temperature changes and constant use. It feels robust, and the finish looks spot-on, matching that OEM texture perfectly. When you're replacing a visible interior component in a luxury car, the aesthetic match is just as important as the function, and this unit delivers on both fronts. What you're really buying here is stability and peace of mind. The original design, while functional, sometimes lacked the necessary grip or broke down over time, leading to those annoying spills that ruin your expensive interior. This brand-new, guaranteed quality piece ensures your drinks stay put, restoring that factory-fresh feel to the most used area of your console. It's a small detail, but in a car like the C-Class or GLC, every detail matters. If your current cup holder is failing, swapping it out for this durable, perfectly fitting replacement is absolutely essential. It delivers exactly what it promises: perfect fitment, durable materials, and the peace of mind that your console looks and functions exactly as it should. A powerful, necessary upgrade for any W205 or X253 owner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.